Okay, we are demonstration over here again. Harbor Freight stick framing gun. I did it one small like video before. That was the first gun I buy. Now I buy 3 of them more, and today is extremely cold. That means like oils, this, that, everything pretty much freeze. That's the really test of the gun, if it's good gun or no good gun. And we are working, like I said, extremely cold, and guns got no problem. But of course, we have to put the line, alcohol in the line, use special oils and everything. You see, gun is working. And we're not building the garage. We're building like 7,000 square foot house. You can see we use lots of power beams, all the hips, all the, like we're trying to set up for the hips first, and then we gotta fill it up, of course. But trick is here, every corners we have a different pitch. In this house I have 5 different pitch: 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 12/12, 16/12. Don't ask me why, but we gotta follow the plan. And again, like I wanna show you guys, this gun we're using this kind of scale job, and extremely cold condition in Long Island, New York. See, my guys gotta keep warm, otherwise they're gonna freeze, so they have to work. I like cold that way, it's good. They cannot stand that ass. They have to work. This is the roof we're cutting off. Oh, we can see hips is all busted hips. And when it's house done, it's gonna be look like this. That's gonna be the back of the house. That's the side, the garage and everything. Okay, Harbor Freight, let's go. I am telling you, like right now, I'm trying to do everything by myself. That's a little complicated, but all I'm trying to show you is this kind of condition. This gun, it's working. Let's see, do one shot over here. Okay, that's the corners, hips, this, that. We're gonna fill it up. What I'm trying to statement over here today is this gun can handle even like today like 10 Fahrenheit. It's like pretty much like minus 18 to 22 Celsius minus. Yesterday nobody was working, and we are the only brave men We say we have to work. We need check. Oh. Until I try to put them on the video, my hand is freeze already. I have to use alcohol in my hand too, I guess. And me, Ken Oscar, framing for more than 20 years. Any kind of houses, this, that, it's not the matter of the tools. And you gotta have the right tools. The other guns, they are all nice guns too, but for money, I like Central Panamatic Harbor Freight. By the time I give them 20% discount, this and that, $66. I can buy 4 gun, price of 1 Stanley gun. I can buy 6 or 7 gun, price of 1 good Hitachi professional framing gun. So to me, this is already for professional quality tool. Okay? Bye-bye. Say hi, say cheese.
Wow, saludos allá a nuestros amigos de la raza.
Muchas
y de
gracias.
Los Comecuis. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias.
Come on, my hand is freezing.
Okay, that's
Finish?
it. I finished.
Nothing to say about the framing gun.
Oh, the framing gun, that's the best, that's the best. What
Why
do
I
you
like the framing gun? Because the chip.
Yeah, 5, thumb up.
That's only one.
What?
One thumb you just show. You gotta show 5. That's a fucking 2, man.